good morning students. In this video we are going to revise fourth chapter of history, tribals, Dicus and the vision of the golden age. What is the lesson name? Tribals, Dicus and the vision of the golden age. So first point what we want to think that how did tribal groups live, how they was living. By 19th century, tribal people in different parts of India were evolved in variety of activities. They was doing different activities, and in 7th standard you studied about different tribal groups like Aham, Gond, like that, and what is the speciality of the tribal, like that things we study. Okay, so what all things they was doing, how they started to live with different activities that we are going to see. Some of them were Jum cultivators. They was doing the primitive cultivation or Jum cultivation. Then second point, some of them were hunters and gatherers. Then third point, it is some of them were herders, and some of them were settled and they started to do different types of cultivation. So four types of groups we can see. First one, it is Jum cultivation. Again, Jum cultivation we studied in 6th standard also, 7th standard also, and even in history, geography we studied about Jum cultivation, and that is, in other words, we are calling it shifting cultivation. In agriculture chapter we studied, so I am not going to explain much. The cultivators cut the tree tops to allow the sunlight to reach the ground and burn the vegetation on the land to clear it for cultivation. They spread the ash from the firing, which contains potash to fertilize the soil. They broadcast the seed, that is scattered the seeds on the field instead of plowing the land and sowing the seed. They was not used the plowing what we are seeing nowadays. Then next one, after harvesting crop on one field, they moved to another. Cultivate one was left follow for several years. Follow means 10 or more years or 5 or more years they will keep as it is without cultivation. These cultivators were found in the hilly and forested tracts of northeast and central India. And this shifting cultivation, Jumming cultivation people where we can see in Madhya Pradesh or in the northeastern states, we can see Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and northeastern states. Next one, hunters and gatherers. That also we studied in 6th standard, how they was changed their life from hunters and gatherers to settled communities. That time we have seen hunters and gatherers means what it is. In many regions, tribal lived in hunting animals and gathering forest products. So two things. First one, it is animals from where they was hunting, that also from forest. At the same time they was cultivating some of the other forest products like honey and all. The Konds were such a community living in the forest in Orissa. Where they was living? In Orissa. Which community? Kond. They ate fruits and roots collected from the forest and cooked food with oil. They extracted from the seeds of the sal and mawa. They was extracting this oil from which is plant, fruits of the plant or seed of the plant, sal and mawa. Which community? Konda. Which state? Orissa. And they was cooking food in water or oil. They was cooking food in oil. So please note it. It is there in textbook. You can underline. And they used many forest shrubs and herbs for medical purpose and sold forest produce to the local market. They was selling forest product in the market. At the same time they was getting medicinal plants from forest. And they was aware, that is the speciality, even though they lived in centuries before, 7th century, 8th century or before that itself, they was aware about the medical use of the different plants. And today we are living in complex society as well as developed society with all the facilities at home. In fingertips we are getting all the information. Then how many of you are aware about at least 10 plants, medicinal plants? We know a name one of the plant like that. Please find out any 10 medicinal plant. What you want to find out? Any 10 medicinal plant. It may be aloe vera, like that things already you know. And other some products, plants name you can find out with the help of your grandparents or parents. and write it down in notebook. What is the heading? Medicinal plants around us. Medicinal plants around us. Those who are finding out 100 or more, very good. At least 10 you want to find out. The tribal group often needed to buy and sell in order to be able to get food, and that were not produced within the locality. What they was collecting food from whom? The neighbors or the local area, nearby areas, for what all things they need, maybe grains, utensils, like that things. At the same time they was selling their product to the market also. This was done through traders and money lenders, to whom they was depending on traders and money lenders. And we have seen that money lenders started to grow in BCE time or in Mauryan dynasty time itself here in India. So they used these money lenders as well as traders for their sale and purchase purpose. Traders came around with things for sale and sold the goods at a high price. Then traders, how they are doing? They are coming with different things and they are giving with high price. If they are collecting by 5 rupees, they will sell that one by 10 rupees or 12 rupees. Money lenders gave loan to meet their cash needs, but the interest charged on the loan was very high. Then the money lenders, they are from the general society and was coming as a money lender. They was ready to give loans, but the these tribal people, they want to give a high interest rate for that. Then so for the tribals, market and commerce often meant debt and poverty. So the tribal people, for them market means or commerce means what it is? Debt and poverty. Still we can see that one, the farmers or the tribal group, in between we are hearing in newspaper or in TV that they are committing suicide. Why? Because of the debt trap. They taken loan, they are not able to repay. Then what is the condition now? What government announced when we want to repay our loans or EMIs, want to repay now itself or after 1 year, like that, some changes done by central government. What it is, find out and write in your notebook. How we are we taken already loan for different purpose, maybe for business purpose or for making house and all, and what the government said about that one, the repay of our loans and the interest and other things nowadays. So okay, one clue I will give. Government said to repay after 6 months first, then said 1 year, now saying like that 2 years. What about interest? We want to pay these 2 years. When if you are repaying our money loan after 2 years only, then are we want to pay interest for that or not? That you want to find out. Then therefore came to see the money lender and the trader as evil outsider and cause their misery. Please be careful. Money lenders and traders, how the tribal people considered them as a outside evil outsider or dickus. What they call them? Dickus. What it mean? Evil outsider. Why they are calling like that? Because of them they are facing many problems in the society or in their daily life. That's why. Okay, next one, it is herders. Many tribal groups lived by herding and rearing animals. The one Gunjaras of the Punjab hills and the Labadis in Andhra Pradesh were cattle herders, and Gaddis of Kulu were shepherds, and the Bakarwals of Kashmir reared God. Like that we know about them. They are the animal herders also. And next one, some took to settled cultivation. That is another important thing. Before the 19th century, many from within the tribal groups had begun settling down and cultivating their field in one place 1 year after year, instead of moving from place to place. So settled community, they started to use the same land for many years. Then they began to use plough and gradually got right over the land they lived on. So they started to plough on and they started to sow the seeds also. Then gradually they got the ownership about that land, that we are calling like that papers, documents, what all things needed, we can sell or we can purchase in our name, like that documents they started to get it. In the Mundas of Chota Nagpur, the land belonged to the clan as a whole. But in some area, how they kept as a, that clan as a, that family together. Even Maharashtra, they are not making the partition of the land after the death of the grandparents and all. They are keeping as it is, and they are not ready to what we can say do the partition and all. Same way Chota Nagpur Mundas, what they was keeping the land as its clan's property. The next one, all of them had a right on land, but some people within the clan acquired more power than others. Some become chiefs and others followers. So what happened later in Mundas group, some of the people they got right on right for everyone, but some people got more become more powerful. They started to use that land, and they started to call themselves, or the group people started to call them as a chief, and others become as a followers. British officials so settled tribal groups like the Gonds and Sandals as more civilized than the hunter-gatherers or shifting cultivators. Then British officials felt like that the settled communities, they become more civilized. They are following the rules and regulations of the society like that. They felt like that. Why others are moving from one place to another according to the climate and all. They want to adjust their personal life. Okay, next things we will discuss in next video.